Very good morning. I am here with the day 7 of our flexibility session. I hope that you have practiced for last all 6 days and I am happy that you are here again. Without any further delay, grab your yoga mat and we are going to start the session immediately. So, from here, and I am assuming that you are on your mat right now, we are going to start the session with cat and cow posture. As we are going to do a little bit of a stretch to the spine, I would suggest you to be on a safer side, do a cat and cow posture first. Keep your both the knee apart from each other. Keep your both the palm apart from each other. It should be 1 arm distance between both the knee. Here 1 arm plus 1 palm distance. We're just going to do this 5 counts, simple movements. Take your spine in, look up, inhale and exhale, round your shoulder. Look down to the chest. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, spine in, maximum stretch, open up your chest and exhale. Coming back to center, take your hands a little ahead, drop your chest down. From here, we are going to work a little bit on the spine. As I told you before, you're going to extend your both the hands. You're going to lift your hands and your thighs off the mat with one breath. Inhale. Don't bend your knee. Try to keep your knee straight and toe pointing outside. And exhale down. Inhale up. Lift up. And exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. The last one, inhale up and exhale down. Now get your both the hands down on the floor. We're going to try the same thing where you lift your chest, thighs and your hands. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and exhale down. One last time. So you're going to keep your both the hands next to the body. So your elbow is next to the chest, not your palm. So keep your elbow down. When you inhale, you're going to lift your hands and chest, thighs off the mat. Just 3 counts. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. The last one, inhale up and exhale down. Get your palm next to the chest. Now we'll practice just Bhujangasana where you lift your chest just off the mat. Inhale up, down, 2, down, 3, down. Now you're going to bend your both the knee behind. Hold your ankle. So as you inhale, you're going to open up your chest and lift your thighs up. Come down. Up. Come down. Very slowly, just try to lift your body up. Up. And down. It's quite a good and a strong stretch. So let us do it 2 more times. Inhale up. Down. And the last one, up. And down. You're going to release. Get your palm on the next to the chest on the floor. Now inhale. Lift your chest up. Open up your chest. See if you can be here. If not, you can continue to be here. If you're able to keep your spine completely stretched, be here. 3. Don't kill your neck. Try to keep your neck open. 2. One, you're going to come to extended puppy posture. So here, so imagine you are in child posture. What do? You drop your hip down, right? So you're going to exactly avoid one thing, dropping your hip down, and rest front part of the body will be in the same stretch. From here, make sure that your knee and your hip is in one line and it doesn't really change. Stretch your hands forward. Take a deep breath in, breath out, press your hands down. You can also drop your head down and try to be relaxed. Try to slow down your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. It's a very relaxing stretch, so I'm sure you don't mind staying here as long as you want. But then stay here for a few breaths. Now let's give a side twist with it. Now you're going to come up a little. You're going to keep your left hand as it is. You're going to keep your right hand below the other shoulder. You can turn your neck to the other side and hold. This is an extremely relaxing posture for me, and I'm sure you're feeling the same right now. A long breath in, long breath out. You're going to slowly come back to center. Stretch your palm down once, and we're going to try the same thing other side. Turn towards the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back to center, stretch your palm and drop your head down, chest down, and slowly come back to center. And from here, I want to sit in Vajrasana once. So for this, I would want you to turn around. Sit in Vajrasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Now you can keep your both the legs apart from each other. If you think you are comfortable with that, keep your heels apart. Slowly drop your body down. This is called Virasana, the extension of Vajrasana posture. Just like try to be here and feel the maximum stretch in your ankle. So if you cannot stay here for too long, that's fine. Just like try to be there for a while. Now, if you think this is too much of a stretch, you can just come out of the posture. If you think you want to continue, you can slowly drop your elbows down, one, and then another elbow down, and you can slowly lie down on your back. Try to be here, drop your hands down. You have an option to come out of the posture any point, so don't be in pain. Be in a posture where you get a lot of stretch. So now, after this we have to continue further. If you want to come out of this, how do you do it? So you're going to slowly take a help of your elbow, release. Same thing the other side. Once you're here, adjust your hair, adjust your head accordingly, adjust your body, keep your knee and your ankle in one line. Turn your palm to the floor. Now you're going to inhale, lift your hip up, give a nice stretch in your spine, interlock your both the fingers, open up your chest and stay here. Stay there for 5 counts. Give the maximum stretch, push your thighs out. Chin should touch the chest by itself. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release your hands. Slowly drop your head down. You're going to bend your both the knee to the chest. Close your eyes. Give a round spine, round your shoulders. Eyes closed. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Then you can release. I hope you enjoyed practicing throughout, and I'm sure you can feel much more flexible than before. Remember one thing, practice how much ever your body is allowing you to do it. Unnecessarily don't force yourself. At the same time, you will know your limit in your mind that you can push a little just to give that extra stretch. So analyze your body every time you practice and make sure that you keep a long breath. The more you keep breathing properly, everything else is going to be fine. So I'll see you again with next series. Till then, keep practicing. If you have any queries, anything, drop a comment. You can also reach me on Instagram at the name of Yoga for Cure. Thank you so much.